Your mitochondria are dying, and most doctors aren't even paying attention. If you've been struggling with fatigue, brain fog, chronic pain, or even rapid aging, the real culprit might be hidden deep inside your cells. Mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses that fuel every organ in your body, are breaking down faster than ever, and modern medicine barely acknowledges it. But here's the scary truth. Weak mitochondria don't just drain your energy, they shorten your lifespan. Research shows that mitochondrial dysfunction speeds up aging, weakens your immune system, and even contributes to diseases like Alzheimer's, diabetes, and heart failure. And yet, most doctors never check for it. I used to feel exhausted no matter how much I slept. My brain was foggy, my muscles ached, and I was aging way faster than I should have been. I went to multiple doctors, but none of them mentioned mitochondria until I dug into the science myself. That's when I discovered Mitolan, a breakthrough mitochondrial supplement designed to repair and recharge these cellular engines. And let me tell you, it changed everything. See, your mitochondria produce 90% of your body's energy. When they weaken, your entire body suffers. Studies show that by age 50, most people have lost half of their mitochondrial function. By 70, that number drops even further. And without healthy mitochondria, your cells can't repair themselves, your metabolism slows down, and your risk of chronic disease skyrockets. But here's the good news. You can reverse this. Certain nutrients, like CoQ10, PQQ, and L-carnitine, have been proven to boost mitochondrial function, increase energy, and even extend lifespan. The problem? Most people aren't getting enough of them from food alone. That's where Mitolan comes in. This formula combines the most powerful mitochondrial supporting ingredients in the right doses to reactivate your cellular energy. After just a few weeks of taking it, my fatigue vanished, my mental clarity returned, and I finally felt like myself again. And the science backs this up. Studies show that proper mitochondrial support can slow aging, improve endurance, and even protect against neurodegenerative diseases. So why aren't more doctors talking about this? Because Big Pharma doesn't profit from prevention. They'd rather treat symptoms with pills than address the root cause, your failing mitochondria. But you don't have to wait for mainstream medicine to catch up. If you're tired of feeling drained, if you're worried about aging too fast, or if you just want to protect your long-term health, Mitolan could be the missing piece. Click the link in the description to try Mitolan for yourself. Your future self will thank you. And if you've noticed your energy dropping as you get older, don't ignore it. Your mitochondria are the key to a longer, healthier life. It's time to give them the support they need. The sooner you start protecting your mitochondria, the longer and stronger you'll live. Click the link below and try Mitolan today.